morning student, welcome to your math class. Today we will start our next exercise of chapter 10, that is 10.5 exercise, which is based upon the circle and their angles. Okay, so class 9 exercise 10.5. From first theorem is that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by same arc with any point lie on the circle. Clear? What do you mean by this? If a circle, suppose this is a circle and you are taking a arc AC or AB. Okay, by this arc your angle subtended at the center is AO. This is the angle subtended at the center, subtended by this arc AB at the center, that is AOB, will be the double. It's become double 2 times the angle subtended by the same arc with any point lying on the circle. Suppose this one. So if this is C, so it will become double of this one, ACB. Clear? आपका जो भी है, कोई भी आर्क आपने ले ली, उसका इनिशियल और फाइनल को आपने अपने ध्यान रखना है। यहाँ आप हाथ रखें, एक बार सेंटर पे जाओ, यही हाथ रख के आप दूसरा पॉइंट लो सी पर, तो जो सेंटर वाला एंगल है दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द डबल ऑफ दिस एंगल। तो ये वाला जो एंगल है वो इस एंगल का डबल होगा। सपोज दिस इज 60, सो इट्स बिकम 30। दिस वन विल बी द हाफ एंड दिस विल बिकम द डबल ऑफ दिस वन। क्लियर है? जो सेंटर वाला है वो बड़ा होगा, डबल होगा, जो किसी और पॉइंट पे बना हुआ है। सो दिस इज 30, सो आई एम टेकिंग वन अनदर पॉइंट डी हियर, सो दिस एंगल इफ 60, सो दिस वन विल बी 30. Clear? If I am taking one more point here, so the same angle, all these angle will be equal because of the same reason कि वही आर्क से स्टार्टिंग की, वही एंड किया और यहाँ पर, लेकिन वो जो अगला पॉइंट है, जो बी मिड वाला पॉइंट है, वो सर्कल पर ही होना चाहिए, नॉट इनसाइड एंड नॉट आउटसाइड। सपोज अगर मैं ये एंगल ले रही हूँ, इस आर्क से ये वाला एंगल आ रहा है हमारा 120 डिग्री, तो आपका ये एंगल कितने का होगा? मैंने यहीं से स्टार्ट किया और ये एंगल मैंने यहीं पे खत्म किया, देन आई एम हैविंग हियर दिस इज द 120, so this will become of 60 degree because the angle subtended at the center is the double of the angle subtended by the same arc at any other point lying on the circle, but it should be lying on the circle. अब मैं इसके बारे में बताना है, तो that will be not of the 60 degree क्योंकि ये सर्कल पे पॉइंट लाई नहीं कर रहा। This is not of the 60 degree क्योंकि ये भी सर्कल पे लाई नहीं कर रहा। That point should be lie on the circle, just like this. Now this is the first theorem where I have already taken the so many examples that how you will make them double. Okay, center wala always be the greater one, the other rest of the angles that lie on the circle. Come to the next theorem. The angle made by the same segment are equal. Angle, second theorem, the angle made by same segment, or we can say the same arc are equal. मैंने एक आर्क फिक्स की, वो रीजन वही है, अभी मैंने दिखाया था कि मैंने यहाँ से ये एंगल लिया था, दैट इज ऑल्सो 30, ये लिया 30, ये लिया 30, तो दीज ऑल एंगल दैट आर द मेड बाय द सेम सेगमेंट। ये भी सेगमेंट है, तो आप ए बी सेगमेंट से चाहे यहाँ पॉइंट ले रही हूँ, ये भी 30 आया था क्योंकि ये सेंटर से जो एंगल होंगे उनके हाफ होंगे, तो यहाँ, इसीलिए द एंगल मेड बाय द सेम सेगमेंट आर ऑलवेज इक्वल। जिसका इनिशियल और एंडिंग, जिस एंगल का इनिशियल और एंडिंग दैट आर द सेम, then you can say that the angle made by the same segments are equal. So you can say that the angle ACB also angle ACB, their initial and final are fixed, equal to the angle ADB, initial and ending both are the same. AEB, all angles will be equal because of the reason they are the same segment. Angle made by the same segments are equal. Now there is a third theorem. Angle made on a semicircle. Angle made by the diameter is of 90 degree because of the same reason. This is the angle made by the center by this arc. This is the angle made by the center. If this is 180, then this is the half of this one. कैसे आया देखो ध्यान से बता रही इस आर्क से अगर ये एंगल 180 डिग्री का हो तो ये वाला एंगल क्या होगा, दैट इज हाफ ऑफ दिस 90. अब ये क्या आपको 180 का लग रहा है. अब इस आर्क को मैं थोड़ा सा और एक्सटेंड कर रही हूँ, और एक्सटेंड किया और एक्सटेंड किया और एक्सटेंड किया और यहाँ पहुँच गया. तो आपकी जो ये ए बी आर्क थी वो ए बी आर्क एक्चुअली मैंने बना के ऐसे कर दी. क्लियर है. दिस इज योर सेंटर. So I just extend this triangle and make the straight line. So I am having here this AB arc and this is the angle at the center, that is 180 degree. So angle made by the diameter is equal of 90 degree. Clear? So here this will become half of this one with the same arc. जहाँ पे initial 6 है, इसको आप क्या बोलोगे, एंगल AOB is 180 degree और इसको क्या बोलोगे, एंगल ACB. So AOB will be double of ACB. So AOB is 180 degree, that is double of ACB, so it's become of 90 degree. So this is the next theorem. The angle made by the semicircle is of 90 degree. One more thing, if the 4 points lie on a circle, so they are forming the cyclic quadrilateral. If the quadrilateral formed by the cyclic quadrilateral cycle and I have the 4 point on the circle, and like joining these points they are forming a quadrilateral in a circle. So this is known as the cyclic quadrilateral. And in the cyclic quadrilateral there is a property that all the points should lie on the circle and their opposite angles are. If ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of angle A plus C will be of 180 degree because of the property of a cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, the angle B plus D will be also of 180 degree. Clear? Come to the question, come to the exercise 10.5. I am taking the first question here. The first question, the key figure is already given. There is a circle. First question, and the angle AOC is given here. AOC, and B is there. This is of 60 degree. This is of 30 degree, and you have to find ADC. Now you can see that the ADC angle is formed by AC arc. So the double of this one, we can say that this angle, you have to find this angle ADC. This will be the half of angle AOC. Your initial and ending should be same. So your AOC is equal to of 90. ये बड़ा होता है, ये half इसका ये छोटा होता है. So this will be the half of this one. Reason very same, angles made by the same angle made by an arc at the center is the double of the angle made by the same arc at to the any point lie on the circle. You will write all the time that the same reason, that theorem, okay, and then you will find out ADC, and your AOC angle will be the addition of these two, that is angle 60 plus 30, it becomes of 90 degree. So the half of the 90 will be 45. If this one is of 90, so this should be of 45 degree. Come to the question number 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of a circle. Question number 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius. Suppose this is a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of a circle. So this is radius and this is radius. AB chord is equal to OA and OB, which are the radius. The chord of a circle is equal to the radius. Then find the angles subtended by all are equal. So they are forming, if the all the side of a triangle are equal, so they are forming the equilateral triangle. So triangle AOB is an forming a equilateral triangle. So all the angles should be of 60 degree. In the equilateral triangle, all the angles of 60 degree. So find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Okay, the angle subtended by the same chord, this same chord at the minor arc. So this is the minor arc and this one is the major arc. So if you want to take a point D on major arc, so here this angle will be the half of this one. अगर आप इसका भी ऊपर वाला लेते हो तो इसका भी ऊपर वाला ही आना चाहिए. So your angle, if D is lie on major arc, so this angle then angle ADB will be the half of angle AOB. This is the center one. So this is of 60 degrees. So your angle will become of 30 degrees. So this angle will be of 30 degrees. If I take a point on the minor arc, that is E. If E is lie on minor arc, so your this angle by this arc, that AMB will be the half of angle AOB. Reflex of AOB. देखो अब यहाँ हमने इसके नीचे का एंगल लेना है, ये एंगल. तो आपको भी सेंटर पे नीचे वाला ही एंगल पता होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज द रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ AOB. अगर आप ये नहीं लिखेंगे तो यहाँ लिखोगे रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ AOB. क्लियर? रिफ्लेक्स मींस 360 में से वो एंगल माइनस किया. ये एंगल कैसे आएगा? दैट शुड बी बाय 360 माइनस 60. पूरा सर्कल 360 का होता है, तो ये ऊपर वाला अगर 60 का है तो रेस्ट ऑफ द एंगल विल बी 300. ठीक है? अगर आप सर्कल के अंदर किसी का डाउनवर्ड एंगल ले रहे हो, अपवर्ड ले रहे हो तो यहाँ अपवर्ड ही लेना पड़ेगा. अगर किसी का डाउनवर्ड ले रहे हो तो डाउनवर्ड ही लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? तो वही देखना है कि अगर यहाँ हम इस एंगल के नीचे आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ भी इस एंगल के सेंटर के एंगल के नीचे का ही देखना है. तो दिस इज ऑफ 300 डिग्री. So with the same reason, this is 300, half of 300 degree 150. Reason is the same. The angle made by the same segment at the center and angle made by the same segment at the any other point lying on the circle. Here, come to the question number 3. Now question number 3, if angle POQ is of 100 degree, the figure is already given here. Question number 3, where the angle POQ, it is something like this. POQ, not that is not the Q. PQ, and this is your R and this is your O. Clear? And the angle PQR is of 100 degree. So how you will get that this downward angle? By the POR with the same angle and the PQR. It's always greater, so it will. That if this is of 100 degree, so definitely this one will be of 200 degree. Okay, this will be the double. It becomes that angle of 200 degree. As you know that the OP and OR are the radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. So, if these are equal, now just you tell me that if this angle is of 200 degrees, so this one will be of, by the reflex of angle POR will be 360 minus 200, that will become of 160 degree. So this is of 160 degree. Now take that angle POR where the angle 1 and angle 2 both will be equal, because the OP and OR इक्वल. किसी भी ट्रायंगल के अंदर अगर दो साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं तो उनके अपोजिट एंगल भी क्या होते हैं, इक्वल. सो इसके अपोजिट ये एंगल आ रहा है, उसके अपोजिट ये आ रहा है. सो एंगल 1 विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल 2 बिकॉज अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो एंगल विल बी आल्सो इक्वल. Clear? Then angle by using angle sum property 1 plus 2 plus reflex of angle POR is equal to of 180 degree is an angle sum property of a triangle. So the reflex of POR is of 160 degree. Angle 1 and 2 both are equal. So angle 1 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So 2 times of angle 1 will be of 20 degree. So angle 1 will become of 110 degree. And 1 and 2 both are equal, so both will be of 10 degree. So this is the answer of question number 3. Come to the question number 4. The question number 4. I am just going to understand. Take the question number A. This is B. A, B and C is there. And A, D, C is there. Clear? First we take the angle ABC. This is of 69 degree. And another is of 31 degree ACB. Now you tell me by angle sum property this angle will be of the angle A plus angle B plus angle C is of 180 degree. These are angle sum property. So your angle A will be of 69 plus 31, that is of 100 degree, is equal to 180. So angle A will be of 80 degree. Now just check that the BAC angle will be equal to BDC or not. You just tell me why they should be equal. BAC is equal to the angle BDC, the angle made by same segment. वही BC segment है, इससे आपका angle A और वही BC segment है, angle D should be equal. Both will be of 60 degree. Is an angle made by same segment. Are equal. Clear? Come to the question number 5. Come to the question number 5, where the figure is given 10.39, in which the ABCD are the points lie on a circle, which means they are forming a cyclic quadrilateral here, where the all the angles are given. Angle BEC, that is of 130 degree, ECD, that is of 20 degree, and you have to find BAC. Figure is already given here in the question number 5. Your what is here, this is the BC and you BAC is given here and BDC I think BAC angle and BDC angle should be equal. Okay, and this is of 130 degree, and this one angle ECD. Where is it? ECD. This is of 20 degree. Now you tell me, if this angle is formed by which arc? AD, then ACD and ADB. Though both will be equal. Clear? You will say that the DCA will be equal to DBA. Angle made by same segment are equal. Then they will both will become of 20 degree. By angle sum property, you can find this angle. Okay, but you will write here AEB plus BEC. AEB plus BEC both will be of 180 degree. If this angle, one angle is of 130 degree, so what will be the value of your angle AEB? This will be of 50 degree. So this is of 50 degree, and then by the angle sum property of a triangle, you can get the value of angle BAC. By angle sum property, you can say that the angle BAC plus 50 plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. So your angle BAC will be of 110 degree. So this is sufficient for today. You have to try 1 to 5 questions of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.